Hey, so today was the day of the actual contest for the internship, and I got absolutely crushed by the tasks. I could only complete one of them successfully. For one, I didn't understand at all, and for some others, um, I don't really know what's wrong with them. Uh, I could write some more tests, but I couldn't come up with anything. And the tests I tried worked perfectly, but you don't get the error messages or things like that. And I'm gonna show you two of the tasks that I kind of liked actually. Uh, the first one is this. You are basically given a function in math notation, and there are like four coefficients missing. Then you are given an array of data that has like both x and y, and it has like this theme behind it that researchers found missing an old manuscript with a formula that was built probably built that was probably used to build the Egyptian pyramids and stuff like that. But like how I solved it was make a custom model in PyTorch with the parameters that basically is in forward applies the same function, and then just use gradient descent to find the correct coefficients. Another one, another task that I liked that was way harder and I liked as well was um, basically there's a whole legend behind it, but you are given 7 images and um, 15% of the data is missing, right? And you are supposed to restore the data. Yeah, here's the whoops. Uh, Here's my visualization of one of the images. It's definitely a dog, but you can see that most of the pixels don't have information. They're just black. There's zero, right? It's stored as a NumPy array. And I trained a UNet. Well, the hardest thing was getting the transform right, and writing the transform itself was easy, but handling the classes in fastai, I'm not actually sure that's like actually a great way to do data processing now that I think about it, because for it would be easier if you could just apply transforms to different, like to x and to y, or just like have numbers behind them for various inputs and outputs of the model, various parts of the data set. But that's for another day. um, yeah, I made a transform that mimics what was described in the um, task description, and we get that kind of data with it, really similar, I think, to what we saw before that, right? And I started training model, and we can see that we get proper predictions. These look very nice, um, and that's great, but I don't get such nice predictions when I actually try to get to predict on the data that I get. Maybe I should have tried saving them or something. I'm not sure how to process the outputs correctly. I'm probably not doing it right because these images are too too contrasted, too red and stuff. But it was really nice training this model. It was really interesting to do that. And that's it for now. Bye.